How's it going everyone, and welcome back to another 2-minute quick tip vid. This is the series that I started a while ago where I compress knowledge down into a 2-minute or less time frame. In this one I'm going to be showcasing how you can quickly and easily remove a drive belt on a Volkswagen Golf using no special tools. So the engine I'm working on is out of a Volkswagen Golf. It's a CRBC engine, 2013 to 2018. Same engine is in an Audi A3, and I believe a similar engine is in the Octavia as well. So the step-by-step process on this is as straightforward as you get. The locking pin tool that I'm using is one that I've gathered up out of other timing kit tools and tensioners in the past, but you can use a drill bit, you can use a hex key, you can use a bolt of some sort to lock the tensioner in the back position. And what you're going to want to do is just grab on the lower side of the drive belt, lever down using your weight. That will pull the tensioner back without the use of any spanner or any additional ratchet, etc. And then you can just slot in whatever locking pin you have decided to pick. Once you have that put in, you're able to remove the belt, and it is as easy as that. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful and informative. Be sure to check out the other playlist with about 10 more quick tip vids already up on the channel. Subscribe if you haven't. Give the video a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.